All right, guys, this is my fun video. I'm trading right now the USD versus Canada, CAD, and the reason why I took this trade is a couple reasons. Um, you see, it's on the downtrend, right? It's my trend line you see right here, and it's also my trend line, guys. And you see this trend line, it broke it, right? It broke it. And touch, then want to retest, then it retests my other trend line, the upper trend line right here. Went back down, it touched it again, and this is a weekly time frame, guys. So I believe what this gonna happen, what's gonna happen in the next week or two, it gonna touch this right here, and that is 129. So from 131 to this right here, 131.11 to 129, maybe like 150 pips, maybe. But I'm gonna verify, make sure at 130.47, 130.50, because that'd be 70 pips, and I might be happy with that because I got 4 different trades going on with USD CAD right here. So at 10 cent a piece, so it's like 40 cent. Yeah, I'm in profit right now for sure. But I'm also gonna and I drew the support line right here or resistance line right here to a level where it's touching, and then this is gonna be my new support line right here, guys. This is a weekly time frame, guys. So yeah, 129.89, something like that. So I believe we're gonna touch this because touch it many times before. So I believe we want to retest this area. But I'm not no expert in trading, so don't take my advice for it, guys. I'm just a man just showing you what I'm doing right now. Uh, and I'm watching, my risk management. So if one make, 30 or 40 pips, I close this one out. And then if it make 50 pips, I close this one out. If it makes 70 pips, I close this one out. Then I just ride this, the last one out, guys. So that's how I'm doing it with my risk management, closing some when I make profit like that. It's only 10 cent. So then I reset the trade again, with 4 more, 10 cents. Then I just keep on closing them out like that. All right, guys, quick little video, what I'm doing right now. Oh, okay, let's say that this is a 200 moving average, and this is the 385 moving average, guys. You want that 385 just in case. Um, see, let me see how the monthly, don't even show on monthly. Let's look at the daily one time. Yeah, see, if you look at the daily time frame, guys, you see the 385 moving average. The, the bearish is winning, right? And the 200, of course, you see is winning. So, and then you see the resistance line, I mean, my trend line right here. It broke it a little bit, but went back down. Broke a little bit, went back down. Try to break it, went back down. Try to break it, went back down. Touch it. So I believe they're gonna go to right here, guys. And then I will get out the trade, at 129 around here. My last trade I have. I have 4 uh, things rocking right now. I'll start trading each one. I'll start closing like just clicking this X right here. Once it make like 30 pips, just make 40 pips, I'll close this one. Just make 50 pips, I'll close this one. And I'll let this one ride all the way until 29. All right, guys, quick little video way I trade the Forex market. Just one of my strategies, guys, that I use. All right, peace and love from your boy. Hey, holla.